Top 10 Kitchen Decor Design Ideas. Open shelving. Consider removing upper cabinets to create an open, airy feel in your kitchen. Multifunctional island. Incorporate a kitchen island that doubles as a dining area, prep space, and storage. Statement lighting. Install a statement pendant or chandelier to add a focal point to your kitchen. Contrasting colors. Combine two or more complementary colors to create a striking contrast in your kitchen. Mix and match materials. Experiment with different textures and materials, such as wood, stone, and metal. Hidden appliances. Incorporate appliances that blend seamlessly into the design, such as a built-in fridge or dishwasher. Bold backsplash. Add a pop of color or pattern with a bold backsplash behind the stove or sink. Window seating. Create a cozy nook with a window seat or banquette. Glass cabinet doors. Replace traditional cabinet doors with glass to showcase your dishware and create an open feel. Smart storage. Maximize storage space with built-in shelving, pull-out drawers, and other clever storage solutions. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more ideas.